Well, hello again and welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte, and this channel consists of all kinds of fun artsy crafty ideas. I love to paint and draw, I like to sew, and I like to take pictures. Today's video is the first video in a 4-part series. I am doing a series on how to do backgrounds for an art journal page. The background for this video is called color blocking, and I used a bunch of homemade styrofoam stamps that I made, and I just cut them out into a bunch of different squares and rectangles, some circles. But I had this one like I had done before, and I have another video that I showed how to make these stamps, and I'll put the link in the description. So anyway, this next video is all about color blocking. So the first thing you do is pick your color palette, paint on each of the stamps. I'm using acrylic paints. That could be your craft paints, or you can use a better quality, and just start layering. So it's really just a fun way to get paint onto your paper or canvas. You can actually use these stamps on canvases as well. And what I like about this is that it's transparent. I mean, you can see the other colors underneath the top layers of colors that you are putting down. So it's a lot of fun and easy. So if you liked this video, please stay tuned for my future videos where I will be demonstrating more ways to do backgrounds for your art journal. The next one is collage with scrapbooking papers. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it will inspire you to do mixed media style journaling.